Hello my crafties, welcome back to my channel Tool Art. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make paper bag and envelope. Before starting, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Here I have taken 15 by 15 centimeter of paper and I'm just giving the markings in the middle. For my other envelope, I'm taking A4 size craft paper and I'm going to give a fold, just half centimeter fold from the edges. Now we'll make paper bag using the thick chart paper. Here I have taken half of the chart paper and I'm going to leave 2 inch from the corner and then I'm going to fold it. To decorate your bag, you can make flowers out of craft paper or glitter foam sheets and you can decorate. For flower making, you can check my previous video. And here I am taking transfer me sheet. It's very easy to work. So I'll just cut out the shape. This sheet you can use on any surface like wood, glass, bottles, like you can just work on any surface. It's very easy to work with. So I'm just cutting and first you have to remove the film from the top. It's transparent, you can just see. Slowly just remove out and then stick it on the bag. Then take a wet napkin. Slowly just dab it on the page. Be careful while doing that you don't tear the bag. Dab till that you can see the image, the complete image you can see on the paper, then only you can just shift. By the time just keep on dabbing it. And slowly just slide down. After that you can just give a coat of Modge Podge and you can use fevicryl neon liners for the highlight effect. like this I've done on A4 size paper, and on that I'm going to do stencil art. I'm using my dauber and I'm taking my acrylic paint, and slowly I'll just dab it on the sheet. So like this, you can decorate your paper bag using different stencils according to your choice. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.